Hi everybody! The goal of this video is offering a visualized understanding of the ultrasound-guided vascular access with SonoTouch. A vascular access procedure is to insert a flexible thin tube or catheter into a blood vessel to draw blood or deliver medications and nutrition into patient's bloodstream. The period could be weeks, months, or even years. So, how SonoTouch works for the vascular access? Let's see together. Traditionally, vascular access procedure is based on landmark technique, which leads to high risk. That's why the ultrasound-guided vascular access becomes more and more popular. Ultrasound-guided vascular access allows the whole procedure to be visualized, help to improve the patient care, to minimize the complications, and increase the precision. Compared to the traditional ultrasound, SonoTouch is a dedicated tool, especially designed for vascular access operators. Its intuitive interface and simple workflow can let operators use it as easy as possible. The steps to use the SonoTouch for vascular access are very simple. System booms up within 30 seconds and shuts down within 2 seconds. Click the application to the preset page. Touch the vessel picture to enter into the vascular preset. SonoTouch displays the parameters on the screen. Touch them to optimize the image with quick scan. Vascular access procedure always happen in an operating room. Traditional ultrasound system with LCD screen only can show the good image in the dark room, but not under operation light. SonoTouch uses Super LED screen. You still can get a sharp image even under the strong operation light. Let's see the difference between light on and off. Sanitizing is very important for the vascular access procedure. SonoTouch uses waterproof touchscreen, which is easy to clean. Different like the ultrasound system with traditional keyboard, which is hard to sanitize. SonoTouch designed a soft key for power off. You can shut down the system from the screen. Avoid the bacteria pushing in it. During the vascular access procedure, the operator needed to wear gloves. SonoTouch has very sensitive touch screen, allows you to operate with gloves. Take the measurement, for example. You can measure very easily even with gloves. SonoTouch shows perfect image with good resolution and penetration, even the depth up to 7.4 cm. SonoTouch supports two kinds of linear probe. This one is good for the deep vessel, and this one is good for the superficial vessel with higher frequency. Here we have our multi-function handle behind the SonoTouch, angle adjustable. Push this button, you can put it into a suitcase or put on the table, or you can change the angle to carry in your hand. Same way like this. Besides, you don't need any tool. You can remove this handle very easily, and you can install the system into a trolley. The small footprint and extremely compact design make it easy to move. Successful vascular access depends on a good choice for the best vascular site, internal jugular vein. patient was required to lie down with 20 Lamberg and a slight neck rotation to stretch the vein. Use the linear probe to find the vein in transverse plane. Marker on probe correlates with marker on screen. Press the probe. The vein is overall and compressible. After finding the internal jugular vein, then go to next step. Insert the needle. Rotate the probe to find the internal jugular vein in longitudinal plane. Press the probe. The vein is overall and compressible. After that, then go to next step. Insert the needle. Subclavian. Patient do not need to position in 20 Lamberg. Place a small towel roller between scapulars. Abduct the arm to flatten deltoid bulge. Use the linear probe to find the vein in the longitudinal plane. This is the subclavian vein. Then go to color mode to check it. After that, insert the needle. Basilical vein. Patient's arm is in relaxed extension. Patient abducts shoulder to access ulnar elbow. Use the linear probe to find the vein in the transverse plane. Press the probe. The vein is overall and compressible. After you find the basilical vein, go to next step. Insert the needle. Radial artery. Patient's arm is in relaxed extension. Patient abducts shoulder to access radial wrist. Use the linear probe to find the artery in the longitudinal plane. This is the radial artery. The artery is round, pulsating with thick wall. After that, insert the needle. Femoral vein. Patient lie down, extend the leg. The femoral vein is in the groin. Use the linear probe to find the femoral vein in the transverse plane. This is the femoral vein. Press the probe. The femoral vein is overall and compressible. After that, insert the needle. The best way to understand how the ultrasound-guided vascular access is to use the blue phantom. Location in visualization vessel for inserting needle. Most often, we use the transverse plane. Always place the transducer on the transverse plane with the orientation marker facing towards the patient right side. Transverse plane allows the shortest route, but the needle tip is only visualized as it crosses the beam. The longitudinal plane is obtained by positioning the transducer with the orientation marker facing towards the patient head. Longitudinal plane allows the needle to be visualized on path through tissues, and the needle path can be adjusted, but the path through the tissues is longer. Thanks for sharing the time with us and choosing Chison product. Hope this video can help you to have a better understanding with SonoTouch for vascular access. Thank you.